Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You will start by booting the Pfsense installer and assigning interfaces right away. Once the installer finishes, log into the console to set WAN and LAN. Set a static LAN IP such as 192, 168, 1/24 so you can reach the web GUI, and then open https://192, 168, 1. Change the admin password immediately and enable HTTPS to prevent casual snooping. Make sure to document interface roles and credentials. This prevents once you have GUI access, create any VLAN and assign interface IPs so your networks are segmented correctly. Apply changes to bring links up. Configure DHCP on LAN with DNS and gateway settings so clients bootstrap automatically, and set static mappings for servers. Next, add aliases for groups of hosts and create firewall rules permitting required traffic from LAN to WAN and between VLAN. Then configure outbound NAT if using manual or hybrid mode, so services with private IPs can access the internet reliably. Finish by installing optional packages like Snort or PF Blocker NG to harden the gateway and then update their rule sets. You should test connectivity from a client verify internet, access port forwards, and confirm interVLAN rules behave as expected. Monitor the firewall logs while testing. Once verified, export a full configuration backup and schedule automatic updates and backups. If something breaks, check the system logs and temporarily disable the most recent rule or NAT change. Roll back the config if you cannot quickly identify the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.